In this specialism, we focus on the advanced manufacturing processes that are found in many manufacturing environments, particularly things like aerospace, automotive, and other industrial sectors. The specialism itself focuses on elements such as structural integrity, pipe flow, as well as heat transfer as key aspects of the course itself. Our apprentices mainly focus on the mechanical design of typical engineering components. Therefore, they are to know whether these are structurally sound. They learn techniques such as finite element analysis in order to be able to predict modes of failure and whether these components are suitable for use in industrial applications. The type of candidate who is to excel in this course is the candidate who is dedicated, hardworking, and wants to really challenge themselves in the field of manufacturing engineering.